Here we are, 1996, and it is Blizzard 96.
I'll never watch that ever again.
It's pretty bad. It's pretty early. Here's my car. Let's see what's going on up here.
Interception?
No, he could have if he would have looked at the ball.
Scott Case broke it up. He's in there as a safety because they've been playing almost this whole second half and just a defense for 6 or 7 defensive backs. Scott Case is that extra defensive back that comes in and
He's getting excited over here.
Oh, hello there. Good to see you. Hi. Oh, he fogged up the camera. Here we are.
Interception.
We've got lots of people.
MVP.
Hey there. Hi. We've got a group of people in the house. And we've got Dallas killing Philadelphia. And for this, Blizzard 96. Let's take a look outside. Shall we? It's pretty bad. Ooh. Pretty crazy out here. Oh, it's like blowing and stuff. Oh, man, too cold out here. Here comes the doorbell. It's just me, Buster. Say hey. Really cold. 4. Blizzard 96. Alright. Now we have preparation to go out into the cold. Lacing them up. Yeah! That's ugly. We need focus. Can't see nothing. Okay. Everybody's ready to brave the cold. We've got Mama Jump, pregnant man. We've got, who's this? Matty Bro with the taped ankles.
Yo, what's up?
Woo! Ready for the
Oh, you know what I
snow.
got? I have hockey gloves.
No, man, don't become
Blizzard.
No. They're just street hockey ones. But I don't care if they get ruined.
Spikes that come out of them.
Yeah, high scoring game.
Rich, sporting the baggy look. How did you put those on? You just tied them around the other one?
Dan, what's that?
And I am ready for Blizzard 96. All right, LG, ready for Blizzard 96. Lights! Turn on the lights. There's touchdown man himself. Lights! Hit the light.
Turn the light on. This is demanding.
I'm a demanding person. Where's Matt?
Oh my God, man.
Oh, there he is. Beautiful Matt. The bloody nose man.
Show him the towel.
No, it's definitely not
Show him the
broken.
towel.
Yeah, it's not that
It's
bad.
definitely not
I
broken.
just broke my wife's virginity.
Bruce, I want to get on camera. I want to
Oh.
record the most insensitive moment in 1996 where Al Z says, "Hey, don't bleed on the dog."
Where's LZ? There he is. Where's Buster?
He's bloody.
There he is. Hey, Bus.
Oh my God.
Buster had a good time out there.
Like, Ed's still trying to tag me. I'm like, Ed, hold up.
Tackle man.
You were, man. You were running like Riggins, and I by accident went high.
Oh my God, Fitz read the shit out of us.
And of course, I scored 2 touchdowns.
That was a great run. That was a great run.
4. Blizzard.
I tried to tackle you.
Or should I say, it's Blizzard 96. Ooh. And where were we Where were the girls when we were playing football? Nice and cozy on the couch, doing their womanly talking. There's Julie and Gretchen and Deborah. She's doing her nails. She is doing her nails. Oh my God. What else is there to do during Blizzard 96? Beautiful. Are you painting or just coding? Sexiness. All right, coziness. Ah. Oh. Okay. And what's wrong with Buster? What's wrong with Buster?
You recording me touching my dog's penis?
Well, no one would believe me. Oh. Cold doggy.
You're tired, aren't you?
Yeah, he had a cold penis.
Yeah, Buster's gotta be tired.
Oh, fine.
One thing might fall that thing out, Buster.
Four-wheel drive? I don't know. Could be a problem for this Blizzard of 96. We've got Dan and Rich pushing. These strong men. I think they might need our help. Oh, it's moving. It's a-going. Nope. Oh, there comes the plow. All right. All right.
$5. The only thing I can do is come charging in, and no matter what, there's still going to be a mountain of snow there. Everyone's trying to get to the side over here. Oh, that's fine. I don't know. I can't move that much snow.
Oh, shit. Blizzard of 96 sucks. We're stuck here forever. As they dig themselves out. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think he's going to try again. Stay here, Buster. Okay, try number 2. Here we go. And he's got it. Eduardo. Oh no. Alright, he's on the main road and he's gone. I hope he makes it up the hill. Uh-oh. He stopped. Where's he going? Here we are. Blizzard 96. We're really bored because look at Buster. What is he looking at during Blizzard 96?
You have one off, I have none now.
It's paper football. We've got Matt representing Philadelphia.
9-7 here.
And we've
Finals
got
of the
LG
paper football.
representing who? Washington. It's a close match. Buster's very intrigued. He's a happy man. He's wondering what's going on. And we've got in the background the
His balls are
Colts
frozen solid.
playing Kansas City. And at this point, the Colts look like they might be going on to the next round.
You get me the worst position.
Let's see Matt's strategy. Buster's
Nah,
very
it's not
excited
even,
about this.
not even over.
There's Al watching the game. Todd, back of the head. And Eddie's back of his head.
I'm getting good.
That's 1.
2.
All right. Yeah, I think. Is this
Hey, Buster. Day 2. Blizzard 96. Who's that? Hey there. Let's see my car. If you can see my car. See that mound? That's my car. Oh boy. Not fun. That's good. Oh, there's Matt. What's he doing? What's he doing out there? He's cleaning his car up. Or he's coming home from last night. Crazy man. Alright, day 2. January 8th, 96. The digging out continues. Matt showing off his awesome power as Eddie watches his slave undig the truck. Meanwhile, over here, well, we got a man waiting. Well, he looks like he's stuck too. All right. More stuck people everywhere. Look at Al's car. It's like 5 feet on top of that thing. That's pretty cool. Kind of sucks though.